Yeah, check it out, man. That's what, man, we coming at you from Hollywood, man. Me and Gina gonna sing for it right now. You're gonna take my baby by the hair, look. Yeah. Take your baby by the hand. Make her do a handstand. Take her baby by the heel. Give me a heel for this. Do the next thing that you feel.
We were so
Sing it, baby. Still in phase.
days. We were cool.
Oh, crazy. When you, everyone we knew could believe you. And sharing what was true, I said. Take your baby by the hair. Like this. Take your baby by the ears. Do the next thing that you do. See, we were so in phase. And that's all this. We were cool on praise. When you, everyone we knew to believe you and sharing what was true. I said, come on, say it. That's all days, baby. That's all days, love. That's all days. Hey, don't hit me. That's all days. Take her baby by the wrist. In her mouth and amethyst. Hey, get back here. And now I need her and she needs me. We were so. And she needs her and I need me. And you need her and she needs you. And you need her and she needs you. We were so in phase. Now that's all it is. I was cool on grace. With our Firecracker and everyone we knew to believe you and sharing what was true. I said, yeah, here come the authority days, y'all. That's all it is. Oh, hey, give me that song. That's all it is, love. Yeah, that's all it is. Oh, yeah, that's all it is, love. Yeah, that's all it is. Yeah, man, Star Maker, check this out. This is Firecracker. That's how y'all know her as. That's my girl, man. And yeah, we is in Hollywood. That's right. Oh, that's all this love.